Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. Welcome to the paper presentation on the global casino, its effect to the world, especially Bangladesh. I'm Hasan Ali, University of Dhaka, Department of Library Science. Introduction. There are endless environmental possibilities for living in today's world, and on the other hand, there are environmental risks of deadly global casino. Global casino is a very dangerous moment for the country, especially all over the world. But I have to find it only for Bangladesh. Statement of the problems. Global extreme environmental degradation means air degradation of environmental flow, depletion of resources like water and soil, destruction of ecosystem, destruction of habitats, extinction of wildlife, and increase in pollution. Bangladesh is one of the most affected countries due to pollution and environmental hazard. 28% of all deaths in this country every year. 28% of all deaths in this country every year due to illness caused by environmental pollution. Despite the limited land of Bangladesh, 5.77% of the country's land area is nature conservation area, out of which there are 48 protected areas and 13 ecological critical areas in our country. Due to the global crisis, the prices of daily necessities have increased, besides due to the increase in the price of oil and gas. It is currently not possible to meet the demand even with a huge amount of subsidy in power generation. This next. Next, sir. Due to characteristics of other global environmental problems. Number one, many of the other global problems involve the use of common pool resources, air, water, ocean, and forests that are owned by one nation. Number two, human and environmental impacts of the problems transcend the borders of any one country. Number three, other global environmental problems require international cooperation to resolve them. Next. Desertification. Depletion of the atmosphere ozone. Bangladesh signed the Vienna Convention adopted on March 22, 1985, and the Montreal Protocol adopted in September 16, 1987 in 1990 to protect wood level. But various places without anyone setting fire, which is affecting the whole world. Number one, acid precipitation and air pollution, and ecological effects and acid deposition, effects on lakes and rivers, effects on forested and mountains regions, effects on human-made structures. Next. Objective of the global environment. Climate change is arguably the greatest global casino challenge facing us in the 21st century. Thus, to analyze the nature of the demystification of the global environment, representation of global climate change, to closely date an global environment observing system, the global environment responses for climate agency, to exhibit the resistance of the global environment changes against pandemic nature. Research methodology. This is a qualitative research. The inductive approach has been explained in detail in textual content analysis of the prime text In analyzing the underglobal question from the ecological standpoint, using an approach towards the identification of research cluster, the present study intends to deploy a qualitative methodology accompanied by textual content analysis. The research maps textual analysis of the primary text through decoding and the techniques from evaluative and analytical angles to establish the main theme of the study. Through the research of the primary sources, the secondary materials of the underglobal question of the sources have been consulted. The analysis can be done with the help of the technique that evaluates every criteria of a segment. In this manner, the status of the global environment shall be defined. In general, every segment needs to be worked in systematically to recognize changes. Then, the factors and its impacts can be interpreted right. After the segmentation, the analysis consists for further steps: global environmental scanning, global environmental monitoring, global environmental forecasting, global environmental assessment. In drafting the paper, the MLA edition from has been adopted at the referencing style. Next slide. Finding analysis. One instrument to analyze the global casino is the PAST analysis. PAST stands for political, economical, social, and technological factors. Political, economical, social, and technological factors. Two more factors, the legal and outer global casino factors, are defined within the PAST analyze. To explain these outer global casino factors, it is necessary to say that most of the factors depend on each other and that the change over the years. Next step. So, next. Through the evolution of civilization, people have subjugated nature and developed their own environment. However, during the heat of nature, people are killing it with their own hands today. Due to the carelessness and greed of people, the environment is getting badly polluted. Unplanned urbanization, rampant dumping of garbage, use of toxic chemicals on land, loud honking of cars, excessive use of microphones, loud noise of industrial machinery, etc., are the main reasons for other global casinos. All in all, other global casinos are now huge. The scale of other global casinos in their world countries, like Bangladesh, is even greater. As a result, the world's climate and global temperature are changing today. The global environment is under threat due to the outbreak of various chronic diseases. Thank you for my presentation.
Thank you, Mr. Hasan Ali, for your well-organized articulate media presentation. I can take just one question. We have